Bollywood as an industry has come under a lot of fire and ire of people in the past few months as a consistent narrative of how it's a bad, harsh place for actors, especially those who come from outside of the industry. For Aditi Rao Hydari, these vilifying accusations about her workplace have been quite painful to deal with. I feel sad that my people are in the line of fire, and they're in the line of fire so often. I feel like somewhere it is sad and it is unfair. At the end of the day, we are an industry, and like any other industry has its flaws, but we all try and rise above the flaws, and we all try and do right by it and to each other, shares the actor. The 33-year-old says that somewhere people who harshly vilify forget that people from the industry are also human beings with feelings. I wish it did not happen the way it is right now. The film industry has very often been a soft target, and it is like damned if you do something, damned if you don't. That tends to happen most of the time, she adds. However, Hydari says that the place might not be as bad as what it is currently being projected, but there is definitely a scope for improvement. There are things I wish would change. There are things that we need to step up and look into. There are things we need to sort out. And we will all do it, but that does not mean that people have to accuse and vilify. This is very unfortunate, she argues. The actor who stars in the recently released web-only Telugu film V further adds, I feel sad for the families of people who are going through this, but there's very little that I can do about it. The best I can do is to call them and make sure they are okay. While Hydari is trying to keep all negativity at bay, she says that she admits feeling the heat of the situation at hand. Nobody can be unaffected by what's going on. I'm a very positive person. I really believe that it is cynical, and sometimes a lot of really horrible things happen and they sort out. But I'm sure it is very difficult for people who are in the thick of it and going through. So, how do you convince yourself that it is going to be okay? It is tough, but I feel we are all in this together. There's sense of loyalty to my community, but this too shall pass, she concludes.